Hey everyone, my name's Autumn and today we're going to check out the Slim Animals flip-flops from Havaianas Kids. These great flip-flops have a textured rubber strap with the Tonal Havaianas logo there on it. It's easy to slip on, you've got a nice signature cushion footbed with that textured rice pattern, fun print throughout, it's nice and flexible, and it's going to rest on a rubber outsole, so they're nice and comfy. Show off your wild side this summer with the perfect flip-flops from Havaianas Kids.